Justdone AI review. Is this AI assistant worth it? So what is Justdone AI? Justdone AI is an all-in-one AI writing assistant offering features like an AI detector, text humanizer, plagiarism checker, paraphraser, grammar tool, and even an image detector, an image generator. It's available through the web, browser extension, and supports multiple languages. Here's what the platform advertises. AI detection and humanizer for content authenticity, plagiarism checking and paraphrasing tools, chat capabilities powered by GPT-4 with real-time data, and SEO optimization, feedback generation, testimonials, and more. So far, it sounds powerful, but real-world performance may differ. Here's the deal. On the positive side, some users praise the plagiarism checker's ease of use and robust features. The interface is generally straightforward, and tools like grammar checking and paraphrasing work reasonably well. But on the concerning side, the AI detector is highly unreliable. Independent tests reveal inconsistent and seemingly random AI detection scores, even on clearly human written text. Trustpilot also shows mixed reviews. While some highlight user friendly features, others criticize its accuracy, especially the detector, and suggest it may push humanizer usage through deceptive results. So is just done AI legit or scam? The AI detection feature appears unreliable, with inconsistent results that seem designed to push users towards paid humanizing tools. That's a major red flag. However, some of its writing tools like grammar checking, plagiarism detection, and paraphrasing can still be handy for casual use. The bottom line, Just on AI offers useful components, but its detector lacks accuracy, and that alone may be concerning. If you're serious about proper detection or AI analysis, consider more trustworthy alternatives. And that's been an honest review of Just on AI.